Hey guys, Sharon here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own clothes in Gotcha Studio. I almost forgot. Ignore these. It's just one of my That's my Yandere simulator stories. Okay, so if it's a boy, then you're watching the wrong video. I'm just kidding. I'm making a part 2 for the boys. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the video that for the boy version. So for the girls, you have to get this, or maybe this bathing suit. At least it has to be a bathing suit. I'm gonna choose this one. And then press the I or studio and then take a screenshot. Next, you go to Ibis Paint X. Go to my gallery. Oh, you're not supposed to see that. You weren't supposed to see that. You weren't supposed to see that. Okay. Now you pick, oh no, you're not supposed to see that. You take the photo. Oh no, don't look. Ah! I forgot what I was just doing. Oh yeah, it's the video. Sorry people, I forgot you were here. Choose a number, and then if you're wanting to make shorts, then you can make shorts. Just follow this. So I'm gonna pause it for a while and then I'll show you what it'll look like. So my color will look out just like this. If yours is a different color, then it doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna do the shirt. For me, I'm not gonna do any you know, the shoulders. I'm just gonna put arm wristbands. So, oh, I got that. Erase these. You won't need that. You don't need the shade color either. So you can use the bucket. Oh no, what did I just do? You can use the bucket, or you can just take a long time, and I'm not trying to be rude. Or you can take a long time and color it, paint it for a long time. So look like this. So I'll change it into a different color because I really like green, and you kind of know that. I almost didn't see that. What just happened? It got out of the line. I need to paint that. Oh, that was way too big. Making it smaller. It'll look Oh, I almost didn't see you. You can't. I have eyes. You guys aren't hearing anything. So I'm just gonna pause the video and change the pants' colors and make the wristband. So yours will be different from mine. So thank you for watching. It was a bit long, just 5 minutes. So see you in the next video. Bye.